Corona know they picking or they watch fair. Let me tell you the truth.
So say mama, papa, tell them we stop social distancing, now they keep passing.
So make we all here, take the precautions, take them up. Corona no limba, ina sabi mende.
Adu and Kushemi Fambul. Welcome to another edition of the program Le Witap Corona na Salon. Na Radio Mount Oyel City and Afobe College na Freetown. Join on with the radio station where you listen to so for bring come this program to you. And na Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland, they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Inside the last edition, we've been trying to promote the use of face mask na public transport. And we've been look at the role of motor drivers union, bike and keke riders union, and the police for promote the use of face mask, all time na public transport. This program today go continue for talk about the use of face mask na public transport. But this time, I go focus on the role of the passenger then safe for make sure say all man safe from the corona seat. Me now na presenter, Lucy Emanet Aliyu.
This mask business, I don't give with myself. Now for police, they no more make a wear am. Now he makes theft, it dey under me chin.
Not so for police you the way you mask. And you mask no for the under your chin.
What do you mean by? Now you business?
Yes, now all man business. Well, body master sabi people don't talk say, where you the way you mask, and not for the under your chin. Then say you mask for always cover your nose and mouth, because now so you go able to protect yourself and your neighbor then. According to Master Sabi well body people, when person gets the coronavirus sick and you wear a mask the proper way, then yourself wear your own mask the proper way, the chance for get the sick is very small.
Okay, I go make sure say I dey wear me mask always where I dey go na public place, and I go stop for put on my pocket, bag and under my chin, so that I no go get the coronavirus disease.
And make sure say, if not disposable mask you do wear, now for tomorrow I'm one time where you pull up. And if not then other mask them, when they make out of cotton or other material, now for the wash some fine every day for avoid other sickness.
This message will come out from Radio Mount Oyel CTN Afabe College, Freetown, in collaboration with Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland, with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council.
As Master Sabi well body workman then don't talk, one important measure for help tap the corona sick na the country, na for wear face mask all time, especially na public place, including public transport. For sake of this, make us start with Freetown passenger them, as me workmate na Radio Mount Oyel CTN, Musa Bari, been talk to Famata Bintaba, na Lumley, na Western Freetown.
As a passenger, if I then I'm in mind before I come on, I'm say I need for work out with face masks, because when I go inside transport, government we don't say we for use face masks. Even before that step, as long as you come on a street, you for use face masks. So that's one of the things that I always do. I always get my face masks with me wherever I go.
Wouldn't I responsibility now as a passenger in the wearing of face masks?
Well, one thing I always get at the back of my mind is that when I go out there, I not only they protect myself from the virus, but I always they protect other people from the virus through me. Because if me not get the face mask, it can be say I get the virus. There is a likely chance that they go get to other person, because they say it pass through tiny droplets where we say no they pass through microscope. So it's very, very risky for make somebody go outside and not use face mask. So that's one of my responsibility for them with my face mask whenever they go inside transport. Another one is that I for try for ensure for say I desensitize other people when not they use their face mask inside transport, because people even though government say talk still people are not believing the virus say it exists. So with that they not they use the face mask. So me as a responsible citizen, I'm a responsibility for sensitize the other people that we not believe say it dey, for ensure say they use them face masks whenever they go inside transportation. Another thing also is that some drivers are left for overload where they know say in all right. So as a citizen, na my responsibility for advise the drivers. They also say they're not for overload, especially during this rain season, because then they can say police are not in Bokuna seat, then they for them keke then can lock them keke, so police are not go see them, so they can use the opportunity there for take at least that's a 3 passenger. They wouldn't know say na 2 they're supposed to take. So if me there in that situation there, I can always advise and say no, na 2 people there you for take, and therefore always they put on their face mask. And we also get some passengers that were very stubborn, even where the drivers and can tell them say before they enter or when you enter and for put on your face mask, even when they get them, because some of them they inside they not want for use them. And now we get some police working and soldiers are working there around where the old people then because of that, especially for those in transport. So now some of their responsibilities and they making take as a citizen of this country. And I also advise others them for adhere to some of their rules and regulations there, because not for the government someone, now for yourself, your family, your community and the country as a whole.
That's na Famata Bintaba, one passenger na Lumley inside Western Freetown. From inside Western Freetown, at the Gona Central, usai me other workmates na Radio Mount Oriel, CTN, Kadia to Kagbo, Bingo Waka, and talk to Rebecca Kamara, one party passenger them.
Like normal way we dey watch television, we dey see government give laws where the NACOVA put through for lay people they use the facial masks, washing of hands, and for the use sanitizer if possible, and for observe social distancing even inside the transport. So now that make way they even they try for take the transportation too. And they make sure say the driver no go choke we in the space they way now like 3 people then they day in one row. So the space the day between we and we compete there. Because at least now they don't pass the law say if somebody no use facial masks, you go pay a fine of 100,000. And me why they so me na popo students I not get that money there. So obviously passenger for use me facial mask, not only for the money but for me own health. That make her they use the facial masks for prevent myself and my family.
Okay, so many a times people can neglect for wear face mask, maybe because of the inconveniences the way they create. How drivers can ensure say una put on una face mask? Then can tell una or they can just left una so normal?
Well, most times especially the front seats. You go hear the driver they tell you say now for use your face mask so because if you not use that way police they hold me na me get for go pay that money day, that fine day, and I not go want for spend that kind of money day. So if you know they put your face mask on now for candle me motoka, then he always say them things in there. And me believe say if somebody elsewise, if you not person where law abiding and where they think about your health or your family health, you they follow the precautionary measures where as put by NACOVA and the government of Sierra Leone.
That's now one passenger, Rebecca Kamara, na Central Freetown. Still inside Freetown, Ishmael Selukoma, self been talk to some pa the passenger them na Eastern Freetown. But wetin them self they do for obey the law for use face mask na public transport.
Name na Unisa Hassan Toure. Na the all way Calverton. Anyway, you know easy, but just get for bite to the rules and regulation because this pandemic no can at this world just friend way for they come on our country. Actually no easy. They strain, but we know they just get for do because what the government say we they listen what the WHO they say. Because the way this year don't can which country we refer we now for let come on for let development come. Then me they give them the own message they give them face masks because they say health is wealth. Now we well able to fend Bokuti, but if you say in this what the government say no problem. But then I talk to the all continue for the face mask. Say this can come on we can. So this can come on we can to the car normal way back.
Kadikaba. Driver can force we the selo we by force. Yeah, kiwera.
What does he say? This mask now for self protection against COVID. So when you use them, as they say, the infection will not go rampant to the population. Well, as per medical advice, as you say, all man to adhere for the face mask he use for us this COVID for let down at the one whole world, because this now a worldwide pandemic, not just Sierra Leone, no more it affect. So I see the old man for adhere to them. If now then they go make the COVID done, let down, let go into peaceful existence at this country, at the world, all over the world. Well, the risk is liable for let it spread onto other people. If somebody don't get infection, let the infection not scatter all over. So now I make all man for adhere to them precaution, because if you know you want to get a liable say get call 117 and can take you no go liable to say it transfer to other person.
Well, that's not some passenger them na Eastern Freetown. From Freetown na the Western Area Urban District. Make I reach na Kailaun na the Eastern Region. For Fenot, more but waiting passenger themselves, they do for wear face mask inside public transport. Alexander Jamiru, when they work na Radio Moa, been talk to Thomas Somori Musa, one pa the passenger them na Kailaun tongue. It starts for talk but in responsibility as passenger for wear face mask.
Well, I want for say my responsibilities as a passenger is that before ever I move now, I don't plan say I travel. I go make sure say I don't get the face mask with me. When I don't at the park, I on board, whether on a bike or on a motor car, I go make sure say I put on my mask before ever I move before I go.
So in case you want for use bike or motor car, the inside the transport day, now you no more get face masks. What you go do? You go inside there?
Well, if I don't look at like for instance when a motor car where they take beaucoup people, if I don't look at that inside that particular motor car, now only me they use face mask inside that motor car. I decide say I'm not going inside that motor car because I don't look at all the other people they don't get face mask. So it's like I'm not well protected where are they among them. So I decide say I'm not join a particular motor car.
Why you see and say it's too important for use face mask, especially when you're inside transport?
Well, as we all the area along throughout the world, this COVID-19, we they get on through, we nose, we mouth, we hide in the areas the way we touch. And then since somebody they talk and not get face mask, we see that people a common a month. If you not get face mask or you not get face mask, we they send her out. A go na you month or a go na you nose. If that person get COVID-19, definitely you self will be affected. So now like some of them things that they make, before ever I do anything, I will make sure say in a public side I make sure say I wear me face mask. And if I don't make sure say I don't put on me a face mask, but the other people that wear there around me, you know they face mask, I will get distance from them.
You remember any time where like you travel? You want to go inside transport with the people them, you compete them, I mean the passengers, we know they use face masks. Anytime they remember that?
Well, of course, it don't happen, but since I'm aware that the law enforcement people they don't come on board, they don't take any motor car or any bike where they move, let the passengers or even the rider or the drivers let them make sure so they don't put on face masks. I don't see so now, but people they do here to that particular road.
And if you travel, like somebody can tell you say for use face masks, you not get nothing to do with this sickness or the COVID-19. What do you tell that person?
I will tell that person a black lie, because we all know say just like what I've been saying earlier, we they get this sickness through them, we mouth, we eye, we nose them. So like somebody tell me say for use face mask is not important, I will tell that person a lie. Face mask is the only way we'll be able to protect yourself from this COVID-19.
Okay, besides where you travel, how usually can you use face masks? In which ways that you can use face masks?
Well, like for me, I will make sure I use face mask whenever I dey inside public. Where are they among other people then where are not where inside with them, I will make sure I wear face mask. If me lonely are they sometimes now me one that I will decide to learn face on face mask. But since are they among other people then, I will always make sure I don't put on my face mask.
That's not Thomas Somori Musa na Kailaun district. Still inside Kailaun, Momo Sise, where they work na SLBC, Kailaun, Sef been talk to Kadiatu Kamara, where can they travel from Kailaun to Bo?
Responsibility in the area of using face masks as a citizen of Sierra Leone. Right now we all know the crisis where they on. Whenever they travel, me as a passenger, whenever they come in na the park, I need forget me face masks. If possible, I forget hand sanitizer, we will help me. Then I not go only get the face mask, I need for make use of them, way I for use them, and if for the above me mouth, we for reach me nursery. So I think now one of the things that way as a passenger you for do. Then when you also inside the motor car, the face mask need for day within we for day above no stray. We not for put her down chin. Because who could tell? We don't know that's a victim of the COVID-19. So as a passenger as well, when I reach any checkpoint, of course that's in some situation but you can't once we and despite target me sanitizer and if obey the law. So I think that's the responsibilities and roles of the passengers there.
Being that you get the face masks and you properly use them, now, what you think other colleagues that will decide by you or inside this public transport as they talk, what you think they themselves for do? I think they for do the same as myself they do for prevent themselves from this deadly virus. If they use the face masks above the nose tray, the mouth and nose tray, I think it will be helpful, even though not 100% sure what. Now one part of the thing that's where the master people that we say or for do. So if we do that, I think that could be helpful for we. So like from what you observe inside this vehicle, you see say your colleagues and when passengers with the travel elsewhere in the country get face masks? Yeah, majority of we get face masks. Despite now only the picking them. We not going expect picking them for use face mask because we according to how the social more people again we have for use the face masks. Now they rope for all for already face masks now you face. So picking no go able all the color than they. So I think now the picking no more no get. But all the big one there will all get face masks and because we get sanitizers as well. But you think say with the proper use of face masks will help we prevent the coronavirus in the country? I think where the master people don't we say for use face masks and fine for wash your hand and use 6 feet distance from person. I think that's helpful. So now we look at the big idea this week where come up from NACOVAC and the Ministry of Health, as you say just now way now the master sabi people they talk say no masks, no go. You think if somebody no wear masks, if you access public transport like you don't access and so now? No. At all enough for you, enough for access transport because now that's the government don't say all citizens for abide so now rule. If you not get face masks, you know for travel at all. But you think if we get inside public transport like how you don't do so now, will help we fight this fight? Yeah, it will really help we. So from what you observe now the environment now this park, you think say the authorities and set now this park they actually tell people as exactly what they for do before then they get into the vehicle? Yes, because when me come at first me face mask but they send me bag. So when I come before even they talk to the driver say if they get empty space because I can meet they already want move. The man for tell me say he not go talk to me until I use my face mask. So I go for put my face mask and use that. That's na Kadia to Kamara na Kailan Tong. Make a tap your force and take this music break.
Me fumble them. This is a message from the Eastern All Stars alongside the Ibrahim Kelly's Foundation in partnership with the Ministry of Health and Sanitation under the government of the Republic of Sierra Leone. As with man to say, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. So this not time for we take with them and know what we do for this coronavirus. Sierra Leone we conscious and not the coronavirus. For take the precaution for fight this deadly virus. Making us spread now in nation, so let we take us serious. Intina passing nations, and not the coronavirus. Champion, Nabunda Mumu Mahumbe, Himbe Jita, Anomo Walo, Biadi Suma, Okawa Biopela, Bialo Hema, Okawa Biopela, Bimangbe, Nungamu Mangbe, coronavirus, Anu Walo, Nungamu Mangbe. Coronavirus. The money for the buy sanitizer, do you know discourage? You stop it, water, and fast, not so we go to manage. Avoid them place where crowded, like the marketplace and party. For me, coronavirus, not spread it. This a virus so easy for spread it. And let we learn always for the worst and pass message to the next man.
ma minutely. That's what they atankan yotoli. Buna for left, eda you boku shake and na for left. This is no locomotive, padina for left.
Airborne disease we go take you life quickly. It pass through your windpipes down to your lungs. So use drinking water or any other liquid. It go help you wash them down to your esophagus, into your stomach, down to your anus. Remember, your stomach acid will kill this virus.
Oh no, she know. Nada to the lose machilla and coronavirus. Oh, banky me, oh. Mare te pumumo and Ebola virus. The day what the fed, the day uni baki, Madu pumumo, and Pangado Kurfi.
Yandi, Menjio, Abu to the Naunare, Coronavirus, Wana Kufijiste, Senati Kourgo, Ayalti, Ojetu Kudianga Sabunde, Lota Jude Madeng, Alaba, Anutoko Paiku Monkuni, Yusuf the General, S4S Music, Eastern All Stars, Wono Waja.
America, Nadeja virus, Pambul Mekateluna, after Ebola, but now na the Corona. Tell Mr. Cisse, tell Corona, tell Corona, Danger bad party Ebola. So this is a high time where we for conscious and take prevention, so make we stop the virus.
Ampa mami dudo salona kera kei karayeng. Ampa nga corona kafof kei karayeng. Angedo luma emang yei kara pipi wuno ye makurimwe lingana kata. Mauro makita ke wote kyaka ne mata. Ange mekelege mamu kelika mantas pipi wuno ye matu se mamu bukeka mantas.
Corona now one deadly virus. Well, coronavirus is serious. Cause it can take over the world in the beyond pandemic, destroying the whole economy. What a situation, all of that protect this weak nation.
We're the only we conscious, hello to coronavirus. For take the precaution, for fight this deadly virus. Making us spread now in nation, so let we take us serious. Vaccinations and not coronavirus.
The one who only in trouble because of coronavirus. Some countries then don't they crumble because of coronavirus.
Welcome back, Mi Fambul, to the second segment of the program, Le We Tap Corona na Salon. Members say, na Radio Mount Royal City and Afrobe College, na Freetown, join on with the partner radio station for bring come this program to you. And na Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland, they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Inside today's program, we will continue for talk about the use of face mask na public transport. But this time, I will focus on the role of the passenger them, safe for make sure say all man safe from the corona sick. Me now una presenter, Lucy Emanet Aliu. Make we listen to this important message.
Apprentice 111. Can make we go quick, but wait oh, where you face mask?
What you ask me for face mask for? I don't understand you. You dey go or you not dey go?
No to plaba me sister.
No.
This na for make we protect one another from the corona sick. More so for place them like this way na public transport.
Who that say so? You preach oh? I think say na by force.
Yes, na by force now me sister. We the apprentice and drivers then don't join hand with the drivers union, NACOVAC and the Well Body Ministry for help stop corona in our country. Now that make we they say all passengers then forget face masks before they can inside the motorcar or keke. And back law they say if passenger no wear in face mask inside any public transport, now the driver go pay the fine.
Oh, okay. Now true then, but I no be no. Me face mask dey inside me bag. Make a pull out once and make a wear them. Because COVID-19 first, now all man first.
This message they come up from Radio Mount Royal City and Afrobe College Freetown in collaboration with Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council.
I dey continue the program and I dey left the eastern region and go now na Lower Jong inside Bond district na the southern region. Usai Jonathan Umaro the station manager of Jange Radio, been talked to Tayo Mami.
Yeah, from this COVID-19 camp, at any time where they travel, pass to use face mask and motorcar. In fact, now law, when you know the face mask, they don't allow you to make anytime motorcar. The whole country now, the law down there. Yes, when Corona come, now that time they were begin for user. And at the user, hopefully where they travel, then they are not forgetting. At the user inside motorcar, in fact, where the Corona me rules, the kid in my pocket, one in my bag. Where the Corona me rules, at the where I'm before they come.
How you can tell like for you company passenger then a motorcar, then self can use them?
Well, now they load down there, some people they know you want use them, but now load down there, if you not get some, where they travel, they don't allow you. Because where they reach my 38, they put food and don't all. Would I not get face manager there? So I'm not used to and I'll forget something.
What if it don't be the challenge then on the side of driver, where the observers, passenger, where you can use them there?
Yeah, some drivers then they really not challenge today. Because if you say passenger we not get face mask, we in reach that check when they put on down, you really driver now you don't lost. They challenge down the way they say get. I made they talk to passenger. The time where they clean inside the motorcar, they say the one that already not get face mask, una bam, come and clean inside the motorcar. And the challenge that they driver they say they get.
So what's going to be the general message to your company passenger then we can travel all them for go fit or some other side then? Or your message generally to Bond district people there where you come for use face mask?
Why my message to them, this is a law. And this law they not put on no more ordinarily because of the sick way they are in the country now. Now make the government say law go to use this face mask. We not say it's necessary for go to use them. So do you me company passenger they hold the travel or go free and go any side of the country, if fine law go to use this face mask. It really fine. Because if next passenger gets sick, if you get face mask or not sit down inside motorcar, no transfer to you. Then in fact the cold way they can, there's this cold season. If you get face mask, if you don't inside motorcar, you know you get fresh food. You know above you. The advice to the company trader then the one they already travel.
That's Matayo Mami. One part the passenger them na Matujong inside Bond district. From Bond, at the Gona na Pujeontong inside the same southern region. And here from some passenger them. We been they talk to Abubakar Mustafa, the station manager na Radio 1J.
Abdullah Sware from Pujong. I go Boton. Face mask is very important to the passengers then because especially when you travel from Pujong to Bo or anywhere else where you go. And it prevents you from not getting sick. And two, if like the season says that dust where it can come inside the motorcar. It prevents you back, you know, you get a fresh cool. So it's really important. And even the space business, anyway, the government is trying for the passengers then. Really. We really appreciate what they don't do for the country as a whole. And even Pujong Park, Lower Park right now, one of the they say the face masks are very reasonable for me all number. So the motor riders union, even before they enter inside the motor car, if you don't know the face mask and they agree for me to enter, they really strict honor at the park.
My name is Doris M. Maguna. I use face mask for the prevention of myself, my life, and that they give me cause I use face mask right now.
Well, me Matthew S. Mina, they come up with on the Google. This face mask issue, you know, so they be not implemented along, and the reason is to make to me the face mask very important. Now for all the face masks because you don't know the person who you deal with in the motor car, for no whether you get sick or not. So the best thing, wear the face mask for prevent yourself for not get sick. I'm
an English talker. They travel from Pujong to Bo. The virus will not know who not get the virus. So it's important for me to use a face mask. You use a face mask for prevent the virus because you don't know who not get time. Person will sit down near you and get time. But by using a face mask, it will prevent you for getting the virus.
That's not some passenger them na Pujeontong. Make I left the southern region and go now na the Freetong Lorry Park, Melakore Junction, Port Loko na the northwest for join Alaji Sanko, where they work na Radio Bankasuka, Port Loko, for your use efforts, passenger them they make for wear face mask na public transport.
Me na Jibril Bangura, I based na Port Loko City. Me I always use face masks where I want come on and host for travel. Even while the car the Okada base for take bike, I make sure that I do it with face mask. Then the bike master self while they take for go to the highway beside the parking ground there, himself and they make sure say without get face masks now the onboard bike. Then while they go na the park now for now go Freetong, I dey always dey with face mask as I dey talk. But now one thing where I can go, I dey observe first because of this coronavirus. So don't I dey look inside the motorcar there, beside the company passengers and Kinde who they get face mask and that they on board. But at Kinde they at times we dey sit down, we dey see 1 or 2 passengers and then they go inside and they get face masks. But it happen for me, the driver, I tell and say this person for using face mask inside the motorcar go the left. If you not using face mask, I dey say well I go candle.
Me na for the CCA, I dey na Post-Local town, and of course I dey sell by Ajib Axis. Really, my own role as a trader with regards to transporting, and I be sure say whenever I go on board a vehicle, I do it with my face mask, and always what they said motorcar, they just say all man who on board the motorcar, they always say face mask, because normally drivers they not can get the time, not can get the patience, because since they look for customers, what you know, na for the passenger can't say no more. You know, make sure they observe, make see how people they use the face mask effectively. So as a fits right and as a responsible trader, I always make sure say I observe everybody who is inside the motorcar. Last is all man do with the face mask. Well, really, I alert the driver say, hey, fellow, these people are on the face mask, so we know say this is a lay down rule. So all for adhere to her. So I can always alert the driver. Well, in back he can tell us, all man do with face masks, really. He can tell really. Yeah, really, they challenge them Baku. They really Baku. But I just highlight Fina. One, like we do the provinces and so, we can face challenge of transportation because normally we can go to a park and say one must go they meet. And for 30, that must carry full up safe. Now walk. So if that must carry full up now, we now all urgent for go. You know go see if that man no get face mask, you know go load. Really a challenge. As you get for beer, if you at all possible, one person will not get face mask, you get for beer with her. So that's one of the biggest challenges we can get really. There are some people that can really be reluctant for doing the face mask really. They really because they get the perception, see, they see the sub there, they give them fresh cool, they give them this and that. So really that is a challenge really. Yeah, of course, really. I remember at one time at 38, where the driver himself, he do the face mask, but he failed for put on. So really, the soldier then be really arrested and they see how best detain her for some time. And he really paid the fine that day himself. He paid the fine. My advice to go to trail now that Lord they adhere to rules and regulations because anybody who they follow rules, anybody who they adhere to rule, I hope see that country will develop fast. Because we will not go there as a country who then say this we no go there. We not going to work well at all. So there are people that are there to law. They put on the face mask because a protection will come for all. Not to say a harmful something, then come for protect we.
That's not some passenger them na the Freetown Park, Melekore Junction inside Post-Local town. From Post-Local na the northwest, make a reach na Makeni City inside Bombali district. Na the northern region, Usai Mohamed Alowel Kamara been talk to Emil Django when at the station manager na Radio Maria.
I dey use face masks from Makeni to Freetown. As we enter, they don't collect the money. The driver they ask you, anybody will get face masks? We ask, I say yes, we'll get face masks. You say let Oma fix the face masks before they take off.
Why you feel say una supposed for use face masks and transportation?
And because of corona, we they use face masks before they load. Then even the driver then can go on to the way they whip now we hands them before they take off for go.
Now you no more get face masks, now the motor outside load so.
Not to me one get face masks, Uboku get face masks.
Plenty passenger that can refuse for use face masks. If you say that they correct?
Yeah, but couldn't can refuse because they can keep and pass. We want reach like more code checkpoints before Oma they fix them. So now so they can do, but like me so now before they sit down, I don't fix them on my nose before they take off for go.
So what if you say now una responsibility as passengers for encourage una company for use face masks?
We encourage them for let them go to fix face masks because of for avoid these diseases so they work all over the country. This corona business. So now me could tell my all my they go to fix face masks before they take off for go Freetown.
Which kind of face masks do they use?
Me na that already made you Manchester United use because of me na Manchester United.
Where you can put on your face masks, you can get any problem with them?
If you put them continuously, I don't able to breathe too much. Because we put them continuously, you not going to breathe to that way. So we don't pass the checkpoint, we don't go long distance before man removing you.
But if you say that are the correct way for use the face masks?
Not to the correct way, Danny, but it is the breathing because of some man then you it too tight, some man then you know they tight. So now the reason that they also mandate they remove them.
So what if you say go happen if you not continuously use the face mask? There may be somebody in that motoka we get corona.
We only get them. Because if somebody inside a motoka, they will get them. So likewise, I tell you some of most companies, I tell them let them fix them continuously till we reach the capital city. But some man them, as we don't pass the checkpoint, they remove them at the no side. But like me also now, I put them at the fix until I want buy food before I remove them. If I don't buy food, it become me own. I know it feel tight in my nose. So now so I can use my own.
So tell me about how you can fix your own. Because some people they see then they put on their chin, some they hold on their hand, some they know they fix and fine. Tell me how you can fix your own.
I fix and right now my ace because I already made it just a kind of the ace. So if you don't lap, you know I know they feel tight. It's free for me. So now so me can fix them. Until I want buy food before I pull life. If I only buy food I did it because you know they more than me. So some people they fix and they chin, some people they hold on their hand until they say we carry chat point and then they say all man they rush up for fix in own before we reach.
But you don't ever see outside police they don't check una for face masks and checkpoints them?
Yes sir. Like Mokot, Lonchar and mile 38. They stop you, then watch for face masks, then they say forget that sanitizer for wash and before now they move when I go.
But you don't ever see outside passenger we not use face masks, police arrest them?
I don't want to see that. For say outside I don't see outside passenger don't get face masks, police arrest them. Me for more they travel, I don't want to see that day. For say I see policeman don't arrest them, I don't want to.
But if you say policeman supposed for arrest, possibly not they use face masks at all, na motoka where they travel.
I can see say some people not to get money for buy face masks. Sometimes can cancel some driver then can get spear and can get them after they don't cost it take come back now in hand. Because of all they go no more say they go but so in large they get for pay per the vehicle for all they go to the street on only now you can get. But like that one day now, for me, police and get right for go arrest people for that day because of let know say the disease is still in the country.
That's Mohamed Alowel Kamara na Makeni from Bombali. I go na Yile inside Sonkolili district, na the same northern region, and here from some passenger them, na the Yile main lorry park, as them been the talk to Saidu Momodu Ba, the station manager for Radio Bonkelenke.
Nina Alfred Joai Kagbo, I did na Yile lorry park, so I try for go Magburkana. I don't worry about this face mask here, and even with the passengers there, we can dip at the motor car, where person no get face masks with the pull and do without the driver self. Who self the passenger with the pull and do, like go by the face masks. Because this face masks here, we try for protect this country. And we no want let person broke down the law. So now it make we the passenger there, anyone where they enter, even Okada, we no get face masks, you know they go Magburka. Right now. I said to God, brother, this is a very good idea because we tell Mr. President thank you because in the try for make this securely done at this country. So the idea we instead pick up, we gladly because we all they protect this country here. Now all get this country. So do ya we they tell with people them where they travel from one place to another. Now we take this face mask here as an important thing there.
I said to Kamara, yes, I can use face mask. I feel fine because I cover myself. For take care of myself, for the problem not be for me. Anyone can travel, this hour they travel, and they see passengers they use them. Becoming back na government worker, what they didn't check when I so then they do. Passing and reaching out with them put her, we tell them say not so then they do. Therefore don't put her before they reach, then say for safeguard yourself. So any way they go, not for say pass and go ask you before you put her by yourself. So if for put her as any time, any way travel. May I get 4. Okay, like so today I use the one, oh let's say even 10. Tomorrow if I ready for go now that they use. Say I don't mean weak, I use the one they always get. I the wash am because I cut in. I the wash am fine. They advise to sister their brothers then and we pick in there, we mommy there, we papa there. So do ya anything we can at the country when they say for save yourself and for save yourself.
Yeah, I did know about face masks in law through from the government. Say all man for wear face masks before you did travel. And then Abraham S. Concept, commonly called 2020. Well, government say without the use face masks, the law will file it guilty when at 50,000 use. Whenever you give that money free, you buy a face mask, they worker. Yeah, well, at times I can see some few then they use face masks, on other fields then they use face masks.
That's not some passenger there, na the Yiletong inside Tonkolili district. Still inside Tonkolili district, Ibrahim A. Conte, where they work na Radio Baft, na mile 91, self been talk to some paddy passenger them, but they own responsibility for wear face mask. Especially na public transport.
Mina almami kama. For le uprotect yourself this face mask.
for you not get the infection and make the face mask stay. If you get some, you don't go get it sick. From the tell this sick inside, so government advise you and follow use face masks. We support for user follow not get the infection. Government need we like need all na the country. So you know support follow get sick. The government will get more call. So we decide follow who self would help the government follow get the face masks. We said that the government can put pressure per we follow to get the face mask. We still they talk to them anyway. Who can say me say kilo per motka? They talk to me company. If you not get, I even they work out spare face masks. They give me company.
Jallo, we ready for travel. You fit for put face masks because now the law they say allow use face masks and it's how they go. Because maybe I sit on also. Why they suppose you will not get face masks? I know they feel fine. Why can put on my face? I feel fine. So for talk we back from the transport, you know go fine for me. God the law say law use face masks. Law maintain we self. I'm a call here. Na guide that they guide me safe. Cause of something the possible way they sit on near me. If you don't get the sick, I don't know. So why use that face mask where they talk to me? And some other face mask say na me nose. The sickness they transfer to me. So now I make me back where they can inside a motor car or they pass safe and they use face mask. Sometimes you get the sick, then you not transfer to me. But we don't use that now. I know say me not safeguard because of I get face mask. The message you are get when me come to passenger then, and they tell them say this sick here where you don't can and you they guide yourself. Where you use that face mask where they inside motor car, you don't guide yourself with that sick day. But when you not use that through the talk and through the breeze back, then they can go that sick day to you.
Me and Mami Aitatu. Not to pass no more. I want travel. Always a day na me house, a day na me room, a day na me compound, a day with me face mask. Because waiting do I no want contact with that secret. And when I dey travel so, person dey near me when not get this face mask, I know they feel fine. I can even advise and say that face mask is good for your own life. Wait to make a measure that. Nothing where they transfer. If you one person get on, you dey near her. Now God no more now go save you. So now mate, you dey advise yourself, then you advise the person. Because this na sick way not get medicine.
That's not some passenger them na mile 91. Well, now also go end this edition of the program for today. Members say, na Radio Mount Oriel CTN Afobe College, na Freetown, join hand with in partner radio station where you dey listen to so, for bring this program can to you. And na Foundation Hirondelle na Switzerland, they battle this program with funding from the H2H Network Fund and the Danish Refugee Council. Until we meet again next edition, let all the wear face mask na public transport. Master Sabiwell body workman them say, na that go help for tap the corona sick na salon. Plenty thank you to my production team, James Tambalebi, now we executive producer, Musa Bai Sise, now we senior producer, we producer, na Emmanuel Nyake Momo, we assistant producer, na Mei Jene Conte, me na una presenter, Lucy Emanet Aliu, they say tata.
I got this message for you. Corona now they picking all they watch first. Let me tell you the truth.
Social distancing, all the kids
So make we all hear you. Take the precautions, take them up. Corona no limba, enough to be